can't hear it. No, not too loud. Not too loud. Not too loud. Right. Watch Tiffany dress up Princess Luna. Hairdos. She looks funny. A tail for her feet. She wants to choose that for her feet. Angel of darkness, angel of darkness, what is in your hand? Nice moon necklace there. Angel of dark. I had that one day. No matter what, I will never betray my master.
Never mind.
When I will stand. Wait, what is she doing now? Down, 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 down. You want those wings? Okay. So she wants those beautiful wings. Oh, show them how you do reset. Sorry. You remember white skin? Me and her have discovered that you can do rainbow hair, haven't we?
Yeah. Personal replay. Done. Replay? We'll replay.
Right, you need white skin.
Okay. Love that.
Right, you hold the camera, I'll show you what skins you need. Back to normal. Then just the tail shines. Angel of darkness, angel of darkness, is in your hand. I can find them to
This is you, girl. No, don't spin.
I've got a game what you guys should really check out. It's called Z Girls.
Well. Can you put the camera a little bit down so they can see? Reset.
Reset and rainbow.
Yay.
Reset the rainbow.
This is her. We can dress her up.
But that means her hair changes different colours. And then it just freezes as well.
Reset. Oh, sorry.
Life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass, it's about learning to dance in the rain. I had that look, Z-Girls. No matter what, I will never betray my master.
and show. Background, quick. Show. This is a good game, guys.
And if you want to check out Zeebles, download it on the App Store. Absolutely free, amazing. If you don't want to get this game, you download it. It's called
Luna Princess Dress Up Game.
You can
Bye bye, guys. Hope you like it.
Bye.